Hey guys, so today, well, before I start, my name's Alex.
Hooray.
And I'm Marco.
Yes, so Silvergate, when I say that thing, what does that mean to you? Some of you might know, some of you not. It sounds like Watergate, which is not for those of you who's an older generation, it might not bring us back a very positive memory, but we'll see. And so basically, Marco, you want to talk about Silvergate. So what is Silvergate to you?
Yeah, so Silvergate has been a big news nowadays. And for those of you who doesn't know, Silvergate is a real bank. It's a U.S. California-based bank. It is a famous bank for being very crypto friendly. Uh,
Mhm.
it served all these big clients like FTX, Coinbase, so pretty much all the crypto service provider. As you know, all of you knows if you have watched our channels, you know that FTX has this big collapse, and ever since, I guess a lot of these big clients have trouble. So Silvergate's uh, is arguably losing a lot of clients. Now, the problem happens on March 2nd. After the market closed, Silvergate announced that it would not be able to finish its 10K form. The 10K form is it's an annual report that is being complied, or it's a compliant requirements for all the listed company in the U.S. So not be able to complete that 10K form, it's a big deal. So basically, they cannot report last year's profit and loss and all the financial of the companies to all the shareholders. And many people believe that because 2022, it's a big sort of big trouble year for a lot of these crypto service provider. So Silvergate probably has accumulated a very massive loss. So in March 3rd, after that announcement, Silvergate Capital, which is the mother company of Silvergate Bank, the stock price has collapsed nearly half of its price from 13.5 to $6.9 per shares in the span of 10 minutes. And then Bitcoin, coincidentally, also dropped 5% in the same day. Now, I guess people can argue that this is another panic sell-off of both bitcoins and other cryptocurrency. Um, but it is a problem. I guess Silvergate's bank is in trouble. Um, I don't know, May. What do you think?
Well, I'm in crypto space. I work with a lot of crypto products and in a few spaces. Silvergate is one of the
Yeah.
big names that we hear, and the rumor said that Silvergate put a lot of their assets in FTX, and 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 the thing is, so I think we are going to see something very interesting. I think everything about FTX about to end it,
Yeah.
like so, and then you got another thing coming right up, and I think it's going to be a very interesting event to see.
Mm.
I think Silvergate is dealing heavily with FTX. I was a former FTX user, so
Yeah.
heard about Silvergate a lot of the time, and it helps people on ramp off ramp.